Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Director General of Police, Jongka Jila UR Chandranathan, haka khat atar upanajilio arjar arpau, ula plipat ba ya ka drone control center, balabu dakat nat pulen ha maulai police station, haringkat ke jingdon lang jongki wepat ki he police officer, Jongka Jila, batru ka Superintendent of Police, Jongka East Khasi District, ka Kong Claudia E Lingwa. Habakran nakanis ni nakaliang jong Director General of Police UR Chandranathan ula penpau ba ka jing play ni ka drone control center kalong banwengi ka jing dheng kali ka bajur bah ha shilenter jong surok National Highway Shillong Guwahati bar ulaong ba nakaliang jong katnat pulen ka don ru ka jing thu ban plie yakum kini ka jong katnat ha ki wei pat ki district jong ka jilla.
We also plan to take it to other parts of the state. For instance, Tura is our second priority. And once we're able to establish a credible capability as far as law enforcement using the drones is concerned, we'll come to the second step, which is access control and using it for traffic management, both enforcement and regulation. And lastly will be our most important task. We have to see that, and I urge all the youngsters here, technology is very important in this century. We can't stay with technology. The last and the most important aspect will be how to integrate it to our daily life, so that it plays a meaningful role in prevention and detection of.
We are also looking at other aspects of using the drone, and from now on, and like DGP says, we will be spreading to other districts, but I'm also looking at spreading to one or two more police stations within our own district itself, so that it makes better surveillance of movement of traffic, movement of people, assembling of people, and other likewise surveillance. And if we have the eyes in the sky, it makes a lot of difference, because the control room, the boys in the control room will be able to monitor everything that's happening on the ground,